Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. I'm super excited to share this new series that we just launched, Ripped in 6, all right? So basically 6-minute workouts you can do at home to get ripped in only 6 minutes. All you need is a set of dumbbells, all right? So I'm gonna be doing a chest workout, bicep workout, shoulder workout, back workout, abs, obliques, even a full body workout that you can do at home, all in 6 minutes. So definitely make sure you check all these videos out. Okay, so before you get started, I'm gonna show you how to set up your 6-minute Ripped in 6 workout, all right? Basically what you're gonna do, I'm giving you 4 different exercises, all gonna be done in a giant set. What we're doing is 37 seconds of each exercise, so you are gonna wanna get a Tabata app on your phone, okay? That's the simplest way to do it. You're gonna actually do 2 rounds. So what we're doing, 37 seconds, no rest in between the next exercise, no rest between the 3rd or the 4th. Immediately after you've done your 4th exercise, you're gonna go straight back to the first one and do it again for round 2, all right? And that's gonna take you roughly 5 minutes. What you're gonna do with that last minute is a finisher, all right? I'm gonna include a finisher at the end of every one of these group sets, and it's an all-out finisher. Go as hard as you can, fast as you can. Just make sure you're utilizing strict form so you don't injure yourself. But that being said, let's get started. All right, man, now that you know how to set up your workout, we are gonna get started with a chest workout. Very first exercise, Dumbbell Chest Fly, all right? So get your Tabata app ready.
Starting your top
Get it started.
Get ready.
And get ready for your flies.
Exercise.
Make sure you're going with the full range of motion, good stretch, good contraction. We're gonna go straight from the fly into a chest press, bench press.
Exercise.
Straight into your press. Your next exercise after this is gonna be a dumbbell pullover straight into a chest squeeze press. So you're gonna squeeze the dumbbells together after the pullover and press.
Exercise.
All right, dumbbell pullover, elbows close to your head. Squeeze the dumbbells together, chest press. All right. Press.
Exercise.
Straight into a supinated press, palms facing yourself. And we're gonna do these, or your head, we're gonna do these alternating. Really focus on contracting that chest. Again, you'll notice the supination. My palms are facing behind me.
Exercise.
All right, now we're going straight for round 2, straight back into your dumbbell flies. Your chest will be on fire at this point. So guys, depending on your fitness level, conditioning level, if you need to take a break, go ahead and just rest the weights in one place. Allow yourself time to get caught up, build your stamina, build your strength if you need to. Straight back from these
Exercise.
into another press. Yes, my chest is on fire already.
Exercise.
All right, pull over. Good stretch. Squeeze. Squeeze press. Again, don't feel bad if you have to take a break. Even if you break here to get tension off your chest, that's fine as well. Just do the best you can. Good form. Don't want to injure yourself, but you do want to challenge yourself.
Exercise.
All right, back to supinated alternating press. All right, this is gonna be the finisher of the round 2. And then we're gonna finish up the whole workout with a push-up finisher. As many push-ups as you can do in a minute. Even if you have to finish on your knees.
Cool down.
All right, straight into your chest finisher. Like I said, we're gonna go push-ups here, as many as you can do. Take a break if you need to. Do them on your knees if you need to. The goal is just do as many as you can and you'll gradually build up from your first workout. Yeah, I'm struggling. All right, knees. All chest. 10 more seconds. All right, come on. All right, that is a 6-minute all-out assault on your chest. So hopefully you got through it. If not, just continue to push yourself so you can get it the next time. That's all I got, guys. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.